Your products. How do you ship your t-shirts? In this video, I'm going to show you how I do it. So stick around, we'll get right into it. All right, here's the process. Customer ordered a shirt. You pull the shirt, whatever you need, whatever the size. And then you will need some type of shipping, mailer, box, whatever it is that you're using. This right here is called Tyvek, T-Y-V-E-K, I think. It's a tear-proof, waterproof paper. This is what you see on the outside of houses before they cover them up. It's tear-proof, can't tear it. So it's good. You have a custom stamp. You go to Google custom made stamps and they made us a stamp. That's a beast. Right. We have a fabric tag fastener from Office Depot, and these are the little plastic deals. We have a gun from Office Depot that what goes with it, and this is how to tag your clothing. And this is a cute little pink hole puncher. It's actually for tags. It's got the little bitty, I think it's a 16th or an 8th. I don't know if you can see it. That little bitty hole right there. I think it's a 6th. All right, so here you got your shirt. Look more professional. You want to add a tag to it. You get your gun. Where's my tag at? Where's my tag at? And in this case, what I did was I made a decal. And it's kind of a hang tag at the same time, because when you just put a hole in it, it doesn't matter because only the vinyl is going to stick. So if there's a hole in here, it doesn't matter. On this one at least. If it's a full decal, it don't work that way. But this is a decal slash hang tag. So what you can do is you put a decal on one side, get you a stamp, get you a stamp, get you a custom stamp, and you can put your information there. So it's kind of like a hang tag slash decal at the same time. Right, you want to hang it on your shirt. So you get this little gun, you put it through there, right? And now you put this needle through wherever you want to, and in this case I'm just going to run it through the tag. I don't want to ruin the shirt right now. Or you get a big seam right there, like in between on the corner there where it's double seamed or double sewn. In this case I'm just going to run it through the tag, right? Pull the trigger, pull it out, and that's what's left. Right, it's hanging. So you have your hang tag slash decal at the same time. All right, it just looks more professional. You don't have to do this, but this is just, it looks professional, right? So then you get your shirt. Now I'm just gonna fold the shirt and move this stuff out of the way. Just gonna fold the shirt. And obviously I'd fold it way better than this. This is just I'm just doing this fast for this purpose. If it was going to a customer, I'd make sure all the wrinkles were out, making sure it was real good. But so you can fold it two different ways. You can fold it this way, and it shows the full size of the shirt with the tag showing. Or I like to do it, let me show more, this way, where I kind of just fold it with the top of the design there. Fold it in half and then fold it in half, and then you only see the design. But that's cool though, because you can put this sticker on, your size sticker on there anyway, so they'll see the size and the logo. All right. So then I get this poly mailer this poly bags 2 mil from Uline, and I put it in here. And obviously you see the seam, it's sticking out here. I would clean this up a lot better, but just for this purpose. Right. And in this bag, I'm also going to throw more decals. I'm also going to throw in whatever freebies I want to give them. Stickers, decals. We have some really cool, let me see. Let's see if I could find one. If I'm feeling real good, or if they buy a lot from us, this is a custom money clip slash credit card holder. I lasered it. So if they purchase a lot, I throw this in. These didn't cost a lot. They cost a couple of dollars from JDS, and I laser these. But it looks like, man, they really put in a lot of extra, and it just cost me a couple bucks. So it just depends on what they order. Then I'll add different things. We have that. This is also from JDS. We have these keychains I can laser on. I haven't done this one yet. So whatever you want to give them, whatever you think is appropriate based off what they order, you know, you just throw it in this bag and it's protected with it. And then what I do is, once I have everything that I want in there, this is also from Uline, H293. It's a poly bag sealer. And this is a 12-inch wide, I believe. I'm not going to be sealing anything wider than that. So, right, and it's got a cutter. You press it, and it heats it, and you cut it, and then you got you a bag. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna take all the air out of it. Press it, cut it. I have a completely sealed bag. No air. Yeah, completely sealed. No air, no nothing's gonna get in here now. Nothing. Let me close this back up. Now I got my paper. I'm gonna stamp it up. Right, you can see it there. I'm gonna stamp the corner. Or I can go crazy and stamp it all. Right, let's put some good ink on there. Right, with these stamps, you can get them, excuse me, stupid message. You can get these customized. You can put your website, your address, all your information. When you stamp it, it's gonna have it all there. So at the time we didn't, you know, I didn't know any better. I was just learning, so I just wanted a stamp. Didn't have our website on there, and I should have, but you know, it's just. I got my bag ready. Got my shirt ready. I'm gonna throw it in the bag now. And then before I seal this, I'm gonna make sure that the order is correct. I'm going to print the order form out, verify everything's right on here, and then I will seal it. This has a sticky deal. You take it off, and it seals itself. So what I do is just fold it, and I shrink the package down to this, right? And then what I do is I tape it, right? Tape the corners and the edges. That way, no smells, no liquids will get in here. You just never know with the way they ship. They throw things around. Person handlers could be smoking. Smoke gets on here, it gets on their stuff. Could be drinking, they could drop it. So I just want to make sure it's really protected. So by the time they get it, you know, everything's real good. So, and that is how I ship. I really hope that was helpful to you. I hope y'all learned something. Y'all could take something away in this video that maybe y'all could use. Let me know. Hit like, hit subscribe, make sure you put in the comments below, you know, what you thought about it. You know, I really appreciate it. And I will catch you on the next video.